Welcome to the new Did You Know episode. Today's topic is about China's real estate market. China's real estate sector is between 18 to 30%, about $6 trillion out of $18 trillion of national GDP. It's a common practice for Chinese to pay mortgage during the home construction, similar to U.S. home builders raising construction loans to fund projects. However, with the recent COVID lockdown and several other factors, construction has been significantly delayed. According to Economic Times, as of July 2022, home buyers in 80 cities and 200 projects had threatened to stop mortgage payments. This stalled Chinese development's amount to 2 trillion yuan, $296 billion. Home sales have collapsed by nearly 60% compared to a year ago, and the current constant decline of sales, 11 months, is pegged to be the worst in China's history. About 70% of the country's household wealth is stored in property, along with 30 to 40% of bank loan books, while land sales account for 30 to 40% of local government revenue. In August 2020, Chinese regulators introduced rules dubbed the Three Red Lines to limit borrowing of real estate firms in an effort to better manage the heavily leveraged sector. The Three Red Lines mandate that developers maintain a debt-to-asset ratio of 70% or lower, a 100% cap on net debt to equity, enough cash on hand to satisfy short-term borrowing, debts, and liabilities. However, several developers found clever ways to be in compliance with the Three Red Line policy, such as take debts and projects off balance sheet, or disguise debt as equity. China's Evergrande, the world's most indebted property developer, is crumbling under the weight of more than $300 billion of debt. A spillover of the crisis at China Evergrande Group into other parts of the economy could become a systemic problem. With 30% of its GDP at risk, China's economy is more vulnerable to a real estate burst than either America's or Japan's was when their bubbles burst. The affected parties include banks, suppliers, home buyers and investors. This could lead to loss of 250 million Chinese jobs. How do you think this will impact your wallet? Thanks for watching.